Our QuickBooks family of products is designed to work with you, no matter what stage your business is in. Pro and Premier help small businesses build a solid foundation for profitability. But when you need more power, more control, and more room to grow, we've got you covered. QuickBooks Enterprise is a flexible, efficient platform you can make your own to manage your business and your bottom line with the same intuitive design you already know. In fact, companies who switch to QuickBooks Enterprise report a 50% improvement in work efficiency. With Enterprise, you get 6 times the capacity of Pro or Premier, room for 1 million customers, vendors, and inventory items, plus 100,000 classes and 45 custom fields, so you can track the metrics that matter and scale your business with confidence. In addition, Enterprise has the capacity to scale up to 40 simultaneous users with customizable user permissions, so you can delegate to your team while managing access to sensitive data. Enterprise also helps you take control of inventory management with more efficiency and greater visibility end-to-end, so you can save time and boost profits. You can manage order fulfillment from multiple warehouses and track product movement and storage right down to the row, shelf, bin, or pallet, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. Enterprise can even keep tabs on your inventory levels, so you don't have to, generating purchase orders automatically when inventory drops below preset levels. Calculate your true product costs and profits by factoring in freight, duties, insurance, and other miscellaneous expenses with landed cost. And when it comes to reporting, Enterprise gives you even deeper insights into profitability. Pick from more than 200 built-in customizable reports, or build your own reports from scratch. Enterprise also has special reports you won't find in any other QuickBooks edition, like real-time job costing that shows you how much you spent by project, how much you still need to spend to completion, and how far over or under budget you are. Enterprise also makes it easy to automate pricing rules for discounts, bulk orders, seasonal promotions, or high-value customers. When you've got questions, we've got you covered with 24/7 premium support and best-in-class training resources. Enterprise is the QuickBooks you already know in a more powerful all-in-one business management solution you can make your own.